skate camp, Northwest Open 2023. So they have a quarter pipe jam, and shit was going off, man. It was like 45 minutes of carnage. 4 or 5 people charging at a time. But first, let's go back 2 hours prior. We're waking up at our camp. We decided to camp that night at a place that's closer to civilization. So there was actually other campers nearby. Before we got on the road, took a little hike down to the river just to check it out, see what it looks like. There's Matt and Brandon. Brandon cools off his feet in the river. A little skating going on in this little mini half in part of the park. And I'm over there goofing off, all padded up because I'm injured and got my birthday coming up, and I want to do that birthday video and don't want to get hurt before I do that video because I know I got to skate hard on that day. And I'm noticing it's not very busy in the park, and then I hear some commotion going on the other side of these buildings here behind these bushes. So I go over to check it out, and what I find is freaking mind-blowing. There's a little jam going on with this quarter pipe in the woods there, and it's like 3, 4, 5 people charging this thing at once. It was freaking hectic. In fact, I was so fired up by watching these guys, I even jumped in there and took a few runs at it. But I soon realized that that's not a place for a 57-year-old man to be. So I stepped back and just videoed these guys slaying, and I think you're going to enjoy this.
Jaden, nice. See how durable that tent is? This is a full smack it. You guys better watch out. That was where did you learn that? Yeah. Front side, baby. And a faster front side. It came off. Get it. Bang, bang. Kick here, kick there. Backside, boneless. Like your baby, even. I love to see it get made. look on the wall. This shit in the house. Reporter, Jam, Northwest Open, presented by Congress Farm. Come on. Leave it up. It's like Michael's walking. We have a loss.
Nice skating.
Thank you.
Really? Yeah. Super stoked.